The Cyclo wheel truing stand. The Cyclo wheel truing stand accurately measures and aids in the truing of wheels. A perfectly true wheel has a central hub position that is square to the rim of the wheel. The wheel truing stand has two long mounting arms to accommodate most popular sizes of wheel, and the wide jaw can fit around even the widest of rims and tyres. The tool can be finely adjusted by loosening the two Allen bolts and repositioning the gauge assembly. Before we begin, ensure the tool is either bolted, clamped or held securely in a vise. Fully retract the gauge arm and open the jaws, respectively turning the plastic handles clockwise. Taking the wheel to be trued, lower the axle into the V-grooves of the mounting arms, adjusting the position if necessary. Once located, bring the arms in against the cone lock nuts and tighten to hold securely. When truing a wheel without a tyre, align the front notches of the jaw tips with the outer rim, as shown. If using a wheel with a tyre fitted, align the centre tips of the gauge with the wheel rim sidewall. Rotate the wheel, noting lateral and concentric deviation. Use these readings to true the wheel until the deviations are eliminated.